This morning we're taking a closer look at HIV, a virus that currently has no effective cure. According to the most recent data from the CDC, over 1.2 million people in the United States have HIV. Getting tested for the virus is an easy way to help prevent transmission. And the Salt Lake County Health Department is making it easy for you to get a test. Joining us live now to talk more about this is Lynn Beltran, an epidemiology supervisor for the Salt Lake County Health Department. Thanks so much for joining us. Good morning, Lynn.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Of course. So what is National HIV Testing Day all about?
So National HIV Testing Day originated back in 1995. Amidst the beginning of the HIV epidemic, and it really is designed to both raise awareness about the disease, but also to encourage testing among all people, so that they can know their status. It's very important, if you are infected, that you know that you are infected, so that you can seek medical treatment, to not only to better your own health, but also to prevent transmission to other people.
As someone who gets tested once every 3 months for my own health, how important is it to normalize HIV testing?
And that is really, I think, the critical component in working with this virus and with this epidemic right now. It is real for us to think that we might be able to prevent new infections in the very near future, because there are some new tools in our arsenal. But in order to do that, we need to identify all the people that are currently infected. And truthfully, the only way to do that is if we were to really accept and normalize routine screening for all persons 16 years of age and older.
These days, HIV, being HIV positive, isn't a death sentence like it once was. What are some ways people can get over that fear, some medication, and the difference between being HIV positive and, seeking treatment?
And that's absolutely true. It is no longer a death sentence. And in order to ensure a really good outcome if you do have HIV, is to detect it as early as possible. As I think, as most people know, HIV as a virus, what it does is it works to basically incapacitate your immune system. The earlier it's detected and the less damage that occurs, the greater the opportunity to ensure a positive outcome where it doesn't, cause severe illness and it doesn't impact your immune system. I mean, before the damage is done, we want to detect it and get people on antiretrovirals as quickly as possible. And again, that speaks to the importance of routine screening, identifying cases as quickly and as early as possible, and just ensuring that everybody is tested routinely.
All right, Lynn, thank you so much for joining us. Salt Lake County is hosting an event Friday, June 25th from 9 to 5 p.m. at the City Clinic, and that information is 610 South 200 East. All that information we'll have on our website, a link to all the resources you may need. But thanks so much for joining us this morning and talking more about the importance of getting HIV tested.
Thank you for having me.